Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Shalazari and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do the 5 simple magic tricks with a pen or a marker. So without any further ado, let's begin our today's video.
This week's Instagram shoutout goes to Abhinav Nair. Follow him on Instagram, link is given in the video description. I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay friends, so this is the first one and this is called the flip stick pen Vanish. You're going to hold a pen like this and as you do like this, the pen actually vanishes. Now as you do like this again, the pen comes back. Alright friends, I taught this to you before many times, but since this is the collection of pen magic tricks, this one is a very good trick and you can do this with literally any pen. So this one is included in this collection. So you can see this pen over here. How to do this Vanish is you're going to hold the pen just like this, and after that you're going to use your middle finger and you're going to pull the pen just like this. So you're going to pull that pen very fast over here and the pen will actually snap on this part of your palm, and that happens very fast and it looks like the pen has just vanished in front of your eyes. Now while bringing it back, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here and you're going to wave your hand, and as you do that you're going to come over here and you're going to grab the pen with your other hand and then you're going to start waving, and from the front it would look like this. Okay friends, this is called the color changing pen. I know I've done this before, but for this collection it's another good pen trick. So here is it. You're going to have a pen like this, and then when you're going to just push the pen through your hand like that, it changes its color. Okay friends, so for this trick you need 2 identical pens or 2 identical markers, whatever you're doing magic with, but the only thing is that the color of the bodies of these 2 pen or the markers would be different. For example, I have these 2 identical pens which have one black body and the other one has a red body. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this black pen to a red pen. So I'm going to keep the red pen over here just like this, and then I'm going to grab this black pen with my index finger and my thumb like this, and then I'm going to show the pen like this. Then as I do the change, what I do is as I go down like this, I actually snap the black pen backwards just like this. So the back pen goes back, and what happens over here is this pen opens up. So both of this actually happens simultaneously, and if they happen simultaneously while you are going to do like this, so it looks like that the black pen has changed its color from black to red. So from the side you can see very clearly like this. Okay friends, so this is called the strike Vanish. First of all, you're going to have a coin over here in your hand, and then watch this. 1, 2, 3. You can see the coin has actually vanished from my hand, and I've used my pen to do so. But where did the coin go? It actually went inside the cap, just like that. Okay friends, so this is how you're going to do the strike Vanish. First of all, you're going to place a coin over here in this hand, and on the other hand you're going to hold a pen just like this with this cap side inside over here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to just do like this, 1, 2, and on the third time what you're doing is you're actually throwing the coin up and you're actually catching it inside this hand. So just like this. So 1, 2 and 3. This throwing up of the coin and catching it in your other hand cannot be seen normally while doing if it's done very fast. So what you're going to do is you're going to do it very fast. So on the first time 1, on the second time 2, on the third time 3, just like that. So from the front it cannot be seen like that. 1, 2, 3, and you actually threw the coin and you actually catched it over here with this hand. Now what you're going to do is you're going to tell your spectator that you're going to produce the coin back from the pen cap, what you're going to do right now is you're going to come over here, you're going to grab the pen and you're going to open the pen cap just like this. You're going to turn it over with your fingers, and then you have the coin over here which is pumped, and as you do like this, what you're going to do is you're going to loosen up the grip, and that will actually make the coin fall from inside the hand. From the front it would look like that the coin has actually come out of the pen cap. So that's how you do this trick. Let's move on to the next one. Okay friends, so this is another cool trick. You can see over here I have a pen and this is its cap. So I'm going to put the cap on the pen just like this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this pen just like this and I'm going to open up the cap like this. Then as I take the cap and I rub it on the top of this hand, the cap actually vanishes and goes back to the back of the pen. So that's another magic trick, and let's see how you can do this. Okay friends, so this is another cool trick that you can do with a borrowed pen or your pen. So what you're going to do is you're going to show your spectator that this pen has a pen cap and you're going to cap it. But as you do that, you did not actually put the entire cap back in. You actually put the cap just like this so that it opens easily and it just stays onto the pen. So what you're going to do right now is you're going to hold the pen just like this, and then you're going to do like this. So as you took the pen out from this hand, what you actually did was you opened the cap just like this and then you took the pen, and this part was covered with the other hand just like this as you took the pen out. So it looked like this, and the spectators would think that the pen cap is still on the pen, and you immediately do like this and you actually put the pen cap on the back of the pen, and the pen cap is not actually over here. Then you actually pretend to take the pen cap off and then rubbing over here, and then you're going to reveal that the pen cap is at the back of the pen. So if you do this very fast just like this, then the spectators won't understand that the pen cap was actually over here, but they would think that the pen cap is still in your hand. So that's how you do this magic trick. This is the last one friends, and this is called the diminishing pen. You can see this pen cap is very small, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to fit this entire pen inside this small pen cap, and let's try this. Okay, so okay, 1 2 and then 3. Oh my god, the pen actually went inside the pen cap. Now if I take it out, you can see the pen is as long as it is. Okay friends, so this is how you do this pen trick. First of all, you're going to take off the cap, and then you're going to explain to your spectator that this is actually a small cap and this is a long pen, and you're going to fit this entire pen inside this cap. So what you're going to do is you count 3 times like this, 1 2, and on the third time what you're actually doing is the flipstick pen vanish that I taught you in the first one. So you do like this, and as you do like that, you come over here just like this and you do this movement very fast, and it looks like that the pen has actually gone inside the cap, but the pen is actually over here. So from this side it looks like this, 1 2 and then 3. So you do like this, and if you want you can also turn like this to the spectator so that the spectator can't see this pen is sticking over here. So as you turn like this, then what you're going to do is you're going to say to your spectator that you have actually fitted the entire pen over here inside this cap, and then you're going to take out the entire pen just like this. What you're going to do is as you go out like this, you're using your ring finger just to push the pen out like this, and that also happens very fast, and it looks like that the pen has actually come out of this small cap. So I hope you enjoyed learning these 5 simple magic tricks using a pen or a marker. Hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile at @Shoel_Hazari, and if you have any questions, put them in the comment section or DM me directly to my Instagram profile. Also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.
Invincible.